In this video, we are gonna count down the top 5 badass villains in One Piece. From cunning strategists to relentless powerhouses, these antagonists have left a lasting impact on the series. Join us as we dive into the dark and thrilling world of One Piece's most formidable foes. Let's get started with our top picks. Number 5. Sir Crocodile. Crocodile is the first villain in One Piece to truly give Luffy a run for his money. Although enemies of the past may have given the Straw Hat Pirate a hard time, but they never outright defeated him. Crocodile, on the other hand, managed to take down Luffy multiple times, including an exceptionally decisive victory halfway through the Alabasta arc. Crocodile also concocted one of the biggest schemes in One Piece history, planning an entire conspiracy to take over Alabasta Kingdom. Crocodile certainly proves how he earned his warlord status. Number 4. Fleet Admiral Akainu. Akainu is one of the Navy's most devoted admirals, with the code name literally meaning Red Dog. This is appropriate given the amount of blood on his hands he has accumulated in his service to the world government, unflinchingly destroying its enemies with horrific acts as Buster calls. However, the reason why most fans despise him is for the brutal murder of Ace at the end of the Marineford arc. Compared to mass murder and other atrocities, this may not seem like much, but after all the effort to free Ace and his relationship with Luffy, this death became one of One Piece's most brutal and emotional moments, which definitely earns Akainu a spot among the most despicable villains in the series. Number 3. Marshall D. Teach. Marshall D. Teach, better known as Blackbeard, has been primed as Luffy's endgame villain ever since the Straw Hat Pirates entered the Grand Line. He is the definition of marauding pirates, raiding whatever he wants and conspiring against the government to steal resources right under their nose. Blackbeard's crew is made up of the Grand Line's most reprehensible villains, most of whom acquired their devil fruits by stealing them from other pirates. As the man who attacked the Whitebeard pirates, the world government and the Revolutionary Army, it is clear that Marshall D. Teach's ambition knows no bounds. Number 2. Kaido. Kaido has surpassed all the villains in the series in all aspects. He is the strongest opponent that Luffy has faced, and it will be a few arcs before Luffy fights someone as strong as Kaido. Kaido's ideology is interesting, which proves that he is not a mindless brute. He has suffered in his past, but he managed to rise above all of his problems and became one of the Yonko. Perhaps one of Kaido's biggest qualities is that he always seeks a good challenge. It wouldn't be a stretch to say that Kaido considered himself to be the next Joy Boy, as he told King that the only person who could actually beat him was Joy Boy. Kaido had his own plans for the world, and it would have definitely been interesting to see how they would have planned out. But there is no doubt that Kaido is the best villain in One Piece so far. Number 1. Don Quixote Doflamingo. Doflamingo is far from being the most powerful or dangerous character in One Piece, but he more than makes up for it by being stone cold evil. At a young age, he presented the world government with his father's head in, and when they denied him entry, he began an entire campaign to spread anarchy throughout the world. Doflamingo blackmailed his way into becoming a warlord, took over his family's old kingdom through bloody means, facilitated drug and weapons trafficking across the world, and even turned people into toys. His role in the Dressrosa conflict gave him the perfect chance to shine, and regardless of his defeat at the hands of Monkey D. Luffy, his place in anime history is cemented. Thanks for watching. Those were the top 5 badass villains in One Piece. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more epic anime content. Let me know your favorite One Piece villain in the comments below. Until next time, stay awesome and keep watching anime.